Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the digital antenna, supposedly the new and improved version from the company HuKimGee, H-U-K-I-M-G-E-E. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Let me see if I can get this focused where you can read the back of it. It does come with a 33-foot coax cable, supposedly, and it's going to be an antenna mount. And this would be for somebody who wants to basically try and catch television signals without paying for a cable service. So it's wrapped in plastic, never been opened. That's always nice. You don't find that too much on Amazon. So let me go ahead and get the plastic open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then we will go, I'm going to connect it to my TV, we're going to do a channel scan, and we're going to see if we can find anything. Another view of the box. So let's see here. I'm currently using an old Magnavox antenna. It's catching about 4 channels, so I'm hoping this thing does a little bit better. Got this piece, it looks like it's some kind of mounting bracket that goes on the back. I'm not sure if it's for hanging or if it's more so to serve as a stand. We have a USB cord with a small round end on it. Some mounting hardware, a couple screws. And then here's the coax cable that I was referring to that I believe is 33 feet. It's connected to the antenna. Let me give you a look at the specs on the antenna. Hopefully you're going to be able to see that. So they should be pretty simple. We've got one end of this cable that's going into this box. The coax cable is going into the box, and then we've got another end it's going to have the coax cable that we are going to connect to our television. And then here is a look at the antenna itself. It's pretty different from the other ones I've seen. It's kind of a thick, heavy-duty plastic. A lot of times they're like a thin, almost like a sheet of paper. And then not much of an instruction manual. Basically just a little pamphlet that shows us the setup. So that is a quick unboxing. Let's go get it hooked up and do a channel search, see how many channels we catch. Unfortunately, I've done this already a couple of times. I know what the results are going to be, but I wanted to show it in case there's anybody else out there watching it. The item is actually pretty cool. You can see how I've got mine set up. This is what the antenna looks like. It comes with this nice stand, or you can mount it onto a wall using these 2 little plates, holes that they have on the back of the plate. Antenna looks pretty cool. It's nice and built well. The problem is, it's got this amplifier. It's got 2 different ranges on the amplifier. You've got a short range and you've got a long range. I've got it on short range right now. If you wanted to switch it to long range, you can simply just move the top lever and it'll move it to long range. The problem is I've done channel searches and I'm not finding a single channel with this antenna. I've bought other antennas on Amazon and they at least found something. This one did not find a single thing. I'm going to show you that. I've got everything plugged in and I'm going to go ahead and do a channel search. Hopefully you can see this okay. I do an auto scan. I'm going to begin my scan. Doesn't matter whether I choose long range or short range, it's not finding anything. I have the antenna, I'm in a 2-story house, I'm on the 2nd floor. Got the antenna right next to a window and it's facing to the south, which is normally a pretty good direction for catching a signal. And I can't catch a single channel. So if you're sitting out there and you're thinking about buying this item, I hope this helps. If you do buy it and you get channels with it, I hope you'll let us know. but there's no real way to mess this up. You basically have a coax cable on the back of the antenna that runs to the back of your TV, and then you have a USB connector that connects to your amplifier, and that is USB. It just needs to be powered on. You can see that I have that powered on correctly. I'm getting power to it, but I'm not finding any channels. And there you go. It's completed its channel search. It did not find a single channel. Anyway, I hope the video helps, gives you something to think about before you buy this item. Thanks for watching.